I think Maine, like a lot of other states, has a statute on the books that protects taxpayer confidential information, like tax returns, things like that. But there's this carve out that allows the production, like the language is like production in court of so much and no more of the information that is pertinent. And the assistant AGs have been taking the position that this language that says, the production in court is permitted. And they've taken that to mean the production to the public. So not only to like the court, but to the court in a publicly accessible manner, which is, from my perspective, not at all what the statute says. And this kind of originated. I don't know if you guys remember, there was a big Apple case out of Maine a couple of years ago. It was a sales tax case about what the correct purchase price of a phone when it was sold with a long-term contract. And a side issue in that case was the fact that the parties had agreed to a confidentiality order, which is actually a form order that the business court here has. And the assistant AGs really wanted disclosure of contract pricing, which is, obviously like very sensitive business information and has nothing to do with the case at all. It doesn't, like, the tax price has nothing to do with like the actual number at issue, or the sales price has nothing to do with the actual contractual payment amount. It either is part of the sale price or it isn't. And the law court, which is what we call our Supreme Judicial Court. So the law court essentially ruled like, yeah, this confidentiality order is pretty broad, but it's not an abuse of discretion.